I want you to come on in. Today I'd like to talk to you about New York State OASAS drug alcohol evaluations. Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney located in Ithaca, New York. My practice focuses on two main practice areas, DWI defense and personal injury cases. Today I'd like to give you kind of the overall basics to what an OASAS evaluation is in New York State. Well, let's start off with OASAS. OASAS. You can Google it. They have a great website. It's the Office of Alcoholism and Substance Abuse Services. And they are the New York State body that monitors all evaluations and treatment providers in New York State for alcohol and substance abuse. So when somebody has a DWI or has anything that's criminally related in court that relates to drugs and or alcohol, and the judge wants an evaluation, or the prosecutor, also called an assessment. So an evaluation is an assessment. They're used interchangeably. They're going to have to go to a certified OASAS person for this evaluation. And they're going to either be a psychologist, a psychiatrist, a licensed clinical social worker, a nurse practitioner that has a focus area in addiction. So the first thing that you got to know before you go in there is it's going to be an interview that you're going to have. So it's participatory. They're going to give you tests. They're going to ask you a lot of questions, and there's going to be a lot of going back and forth. They're not only going to be looking at what you have to say, but they're also going to be looking at how you say it. So you may state something, but if your body language seems a little, as my kids like to say, sketchy, or you seem to be lying, they're going to see if they can check and confirm anything you tell them with these what's called collateral sources, and we'll talk about that later. So that's number one. It's participatory, and you don't want to give the impression like you're being evasive or you're covering up. You really want to be able to be straightforward going in there with them. The second part of it is it doesn't just talk about either alcohol or drugs. It's all drugs. Remember, alcohol is a drug. They're going to look at marijuana, alcohol, barbiturates, any types of pills, any types of prescription medication, any drug use, not only in the specific instance that you're going there for from a court case, but also over the course of your whole lifetime. And the third most important thing you have to know about this evaluation is it could be an hour, could be 4 hours, could be one session, it could be 3 or 4 sessions. And one of the reasons for that is if somebody has a lot of baggage and a lot of history, say someone tried to commit suicide, they're going to have a lot more to talk about than somebody that has never had any interactions with drugs or alcohol, has never had any treatment plans, has never had any programs, has never had any rehabilitation. Someone that goes in there squeaky clean, that has no history, that doesn't have anything prior, mentally, physically, socially, or even health-wise, is going to have a much shorter time going through this process than somebody that has a long health history or a long drug history or a long history to talk about. So going in there, understand all of that. If you have any questions about your DWI case, this is one of the cases that I handle within my practice. You can either give me a call or you can shoot me an email. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. And thanks for watching this video.